Hello, this is Bear from Elliott Wave. How's it going? Happy Friday, everyone. Hope everyone is doing well. What a week. Ups and downs. It looks like we're mostly seeing downs.
Hello, this is
Obviously, please let me know if you can hear me. You should be able to hear me, but always double checking. Yeah, just what a week. We've seen ups, we've seen downs. Question could be, where are we going next? I'm sure many of you are asking, wondering, where could we be going next? I'll try to answer that today. See what's happening, what could be happening. As always, using the Elliott Wave Theory. So let me open some tabs while we get started. Also, let me just type here, ask me anything to analyze, as well as I'll leave you guys the link for the free Discord so you guys can join and we can meet. We're gonna talk trading there. We're gonna talk Elliott Wave right there. So what a week! What a week! So I've actually showed my position in the Discord. So these are my open positions, and I'd just say it's quite interesting what's going on in the markets. So crypto's been moving higher the whole week, and if we look at the daily here in Bitcoin, so this week alone we made a, why is it not showing? Where do you think? Oh, we made a 17% gain as of right now, almost 18% on Bitcoin. And as you can see, it looks pretty solid for the week. And I'm gonna lie, do we have volume here? So also this move, as you can see here, down move did not only it looked corrective in terms of Elliott Wave, but it was going down on diminishing volume, which usually indicates that it is indeed the trend is still to the upside. It just basically means there's no sellers in the market. What is interesting that this week, as you can see here, we are starting to get more volume in, so that's quite interesting. What else? So it's actually, so Bitcoin has actually been moving as expected. Not only that, I do have a position. Let's see if I didn't delete it. So that's my position, which obviously I'm showing right now. You may say, well, yeah, sure. I could have been able to do that. However, it was all here in the Discord as always. So I always show you guys. It's always been here. I shared it with everyone who joined the Discord, which again is free. So let me just find it. Okay, so Bitcoin, June 15th, I sent this. Potential ending diagonal wave C. I was looking for a potential ABC and then upside. And guess what? We got our upside. So again, for the past week, I stressed quite a bit on this move down. I said I do not see a bullish scenario. And now we've broken this previous top. So what I'm expecting now Let's zoom in. Basically, so let me just hide this again. Potential 5 waves completed or near completion for wave 1. Then ideally a pullback in wave 2 to then continue higher. That would be my expectations for Bitcoin. And let's see if we can manage to build some longs on the way up. We're already up 2%, I think. So I risked 2%. So we might be running 1-to-1. But yeah, remember I'm up roughly 2% on the account. So that's Bitcoin. Binance I'm also long. I've been long. Doesn't look ideal, to be honest. I'm a bit confused with what's going on. So basically same as last week, I believe. Things haven't really changed. I'm basically just looking for a potential wave 4 in here as a triangle right there, which doesn't really seem to be playing out. So I guess we'll see about that. Yeah, we're gonna have to see, but it's not looking ideal as of right now. It's not really what I want to see. We are kind of, I mean, you can see here on the weekly, we are sitting on the 200 EMA, this purple line, but other than that, really, there's not. Doesn't look ideal. It's kind of failing to show strength to the upside, which is not something we want to see. I mean, you can see here. Then analog devices. Where did I enter? And again, all these positions were available for in the Discord. I'm not making that up. You can just join the Discord and see it yourself. So here I'm basically looking for, after 3 waves to the downside, I looked at a potential 5 waves up into wave 1, this red one. I was looking for more upside now. We are, let's zoom in. So we are very close to, as you can see here, in validation level, which makes me doubt the count. I might. So currently my stop is here, which is not almost risk-free, basically break even. I entered around here. No mistake. I'll just see. I think it's just like very close to break even. Nope. Yes, basically break even. But if we do invalidate the count and break this $182, I think I'm just gonna close it in a little profit, but just we can double correct. Even though the nice thing is that we broke this wave B top, which is ideal actually. So ideally, I mean next week either, and it has to happen on Monday. We either resume higher or we don't. But you might count this as 5 down, so I don't know. I'm not too confident about it, gotta be honest. I'll just see how it goes. Not really up to me. I did my job. Now I'll just let the market do the rest. CrowdStrike, which I entered yesterday because we had a reaction of the golden box, as you can see here. So after what seems to be, at least to me, a 3-wave move, a large 3-wave move to the downside. So I'm looking for further upside. might even be, I mean, even if it's a 3-wave move, I would still expect more upside. So let's say this is A. So that's the worst case scenario. Say this is A, this is B, after C. I don't think this is C, to be honest. So we, worst case scenario, just get an ending diagonal, but this low stays intact. So obviously that's where my stop is, at this low. Let's see if we, next week we manage to break higher. That would be ideal. And at that point, we could start to have some room for upside. As you can see here, looking for, so equality. So if I'm correct and this is wave 3, you should at least get to $222. So 1.618 wave 3 versus 1. And I just deleted the enter, but yeah, I basically enter around where we are right now. So again, yeah, I was looking for that long here. I'm looking for this long one. I mean, I'm looking for upside already. I'm looking for on this golden box, as I do see this as down in A, up in B, down in C. 3-wave move. Again, let's let the market do its job and see what's gonna happen. And then I did have a position on the Dow, which again I shared on the Discord. This is the main one. I entered around here. I entered here, I think at this time basically. And I entered, so I actually took a minor loss on, let's see if I can, should be able to show you my trades. So just a second there. Yeah, I'm gonna be transparent with you. That's the trades that I've taken so far in June and May. So you can see the losses. I just keep them on a spreadsheet. The only that was the only gain, but as you can see, losses are pretty small. That's total loss so far. Realized, that's unrealized profit. Main positions are Bitcoin and the Dow. And as I said, this is AUDI, analog devices, which I'm might close soon if we, as I said earlier in the video, will get invalidated. And then yeah, that's about it. Now last but not least is so here on the Dow again, I took which one was this loss, because I was looking for a 1-2 here and then 1-2, so I entered longer on here. We broke invalidation, which was this point here. We broke it today, so I took a loss. However, I looked at it and it just looks like 3 to me. A, B, C, a flat, bit dangerous to be honest, not gonna lie. But I still see upside. This could be. So I may just check for. Huh. One, two. Nope. So yeah, to be honest, not sure how to get on this wave C, if it is a wave C. Wonder if it's complex at WXY. Yeah, I guess we'll have to find out. But overall, so the golden box was that one, I think. one that's already drawn in the chart. Yeah, so that's the golden box. So we kind of went a bit below, and now it looks like we're trying to resume higher. So yeah, overall, I mean, let's see what's gonna happen. Again, here another nice thing that happened is that we broke this point. So we can again look for a 1, 2. I thought about alternates, and it could be a three-wave move A, B, C, and in diagonal here, but I don't think it worked because this wave 4 seems larger than 2, and it is. So yeah, again, I think we'll have an answer by next week. And last but not least, as you probably saw my position, is Costco, ticker symbol COST. Looking here for upside, as you can see here, on a potential triangle in wave 4, and I'm now looking for further upside. Enter back here after this strong push. And we're now kind of letting Costco breathe and looking for further upside. So yeah, those are my open position. Just so don't like to keep things from you. I like to be transparent. And then if we have to take a look at, let's take the Nasdaq for example. It looks like I might be in this wave 4. 1.6183 -3 against 1 is here. So I'm basically bullish on no markets, especially the tech market growth. Yeah, let's see. We might retrace a bit lower, do this. Wouldn't be surprised. But again, taking one step at a time. Overall, I'm bullish. I don't see any evidence on why I shouldn't be. And then speaking of cryptos as a whole, ETH also moving higher, similar to Bitcoin for the count. Bullish on it. 1, 2 here. 1, 2. So if I'm right, we need to explode to the upside on both charts. I guess we'll see. I mean, as AI, if you think about it, as AI kind of spreads around, it's not that hard to imagine, a crypto coming back to life, but one step at a time. I mean, there's lots of space to recover. I mean, here from all-time high is basically 100% gain. So even though, again, if you look at this week so far, 17%, which is quite a lot if you think about it. And what else do I have here? Polkadot, pretty unclear account. I personally own some, but yeah, it's pretty unclear what's gonna happen. Obviously, this count is not right. Another one is Solana, which looks like we might have had 5 ways down, and now we could get 3 ways up. So let's see about that. And yeah, just about it. Let's go down and do it. Interesting. I saw the other day Shiba just quietly. How much is up Shiba for the week? %11. I mean, could this be an A, B, C? Can we go all the way back? Guess we're gonna find out. And then Doge, actually, Dogecoin is not that bearish. There's more data available somewhere, I know. But this kind of holding might even turn out to be a triangle of some sort. So yeah, I can see it moving higher, to be honest. So yeah, one wave at a time, as I like to say. Here, yeah. Not looking great, not gonna lie. The DAX also, I'm seeing it basically similar to the Dow with a flat here. And so I'm looking for further upside. What else? I'd keep an eye on PayPal. Oh, interesting. Because we have potential bottom, based on my count. Potential free wave move completed. And we might get 5 waves off the lows, actually. So let's see if it's gonna play out. But I mean, I think it's good to keep an eye on it. I will. Again, I mean, also this looks like 3, so I'm gonna expect another top. What else? Spotify's been, I don't know if anyone noticed Spotify, but if you can see what it has done this 6 months, 100% gain. Crazy. Crazy to think about. I mean, I follow it because I have it in my long-term portfolio. I've had it for a while now, but crazy. Coca-Cola moved a bit sooner than expected. I was looking at, we were here, I was looking for the downside, but we didn't get it. So I'm wondering what's going on right now, but yeah, also this. Oh, look at Kellogg. Doesn't look like it's gonna work out. What else do I have to show you? Oil was been kind of sitting there. I've been expecting at least another move higher, as you can see here. But we're not getting it, but RSI could be suggesting that it's coming. So we'll see about that. And gold keeps moving lower. I did call on the Discord the top. What was it? A month ago? Yeah, over a month ago. But now we kind of need to wait until it unfolds. And yeah, so yeah, I think this is about it. I mean, this week's been, apart from cryptos, which huge gains, stock market, apart from some large stocks, I mean, large growth gap, keep moving higher. And look at Tesla, for instance. I mean, I missed to buy here because I wasn't home. So I've been waiting for a pullback, which might be coming now at this point. If we could get something like this. But this just keeps moving higher. Doesn't look like anything is gonna stop it. Apple, similar situation, just keeps extending. So there's obviously at this point, I believe it's on everyone's mouth, NVIDIA. I know that in the AI sector, Palantir is quite sought after, and I've been looking. I mean, I've been following it for quite some time. I've been looking here at potential 5 ways. However, I see this as a 3 move, which cannot make it a 1. So I don't know if this is gonna be a wave 4. I guess we'll have to find out, but I'm a bit skeptical. And that said, I don't really have much more to add, to be honest. Unless you have questions. So yeah. I think I'm gonna call it a day. As always, thank you for joining. Again, feel free to join the Discord. You can find me there. If you have questions, if you want to show me your ideas, your charts, or want to ask for my opinion on yours, or any question training related. And I will see you next Friday, as always, live here on Better Wave, and then I'll try to post also next week here on the channel. Follow me. Feel free to follow me on my training view account where I always post. But obviously, I do recommend the Discord mainly. And thank you for joining.